How to delete Instagram search suggestions. I'm going to tell you how to delete Instagram search suggestions if you're seeing unwanted suggestions when you tap to the search bar. You can remove them easily. First, open Instagram and go to the search tab. Tap on the search bar and you'll see a list of recent searches or suggested accounts. To remove a specific suggestion, tap and hold it, then select hide or remove. If you want to clear all search history, go to settings, your activity, recent searches, then tap clear all. This will wipe all previous searches at once. But for personalized suggestions that may keep appearing, try logging out and back in or clearing your app cache. If suggestions still show, Instagram's algorithm may continue recommending similar content, so interacting with different posts can help reset them over time.